Yoshitaka Amano, a master of fantasy art. Yoshitaka, born on 26 March 1952 in Japan, is an acclaimed artist and illustrator known for his distinctive and influential work in fantasy art. From an early age, Amano displayed an exceptional talent for drawing, which was narrated by his love for manga and animation. At the age of 15, Amano joined Tatsunoko Production, a renowned animation studio where he began his career as a character designer. During his time at Tatsunoko Production, Amano worked on several popular anime series, including Gatman and Time Booking. His innovative character design and attention to detail quickly set him apart, establishing his reputation within the industry. Amano's work during this period was marked by a unique blend of traditional Japanese aesthetic and modern animation techniques, which would become a hallmark of his later work. In the 1980s, Amano allowing him to explore a broader range of artistic endeavors. This period marked a significant evolution in his style as he began to experiment with various media, including painting, illustration, and even sculpture. His work became more intricate and imaginative, characterized by ethereal, dreamlike qualities and a rich use of color. One of Amano's most significant contribution to the world of art and entertainment came with his collaboration with the video game company Square. The Final Fantasy series, starting with the original Final Fantasy game in 1987. Amano's visionary design for characters, creator, and environments played a circle role in defining the visual identity of the series. His artwork for Final Fantasy is renowned for its elegance, fantasy elements, and a scenes of otherworld lines that perfectly complements the game's epic narratives. Beyond his work in animation and video games, Amano has made substantial contribution to the world of illustration. He has illustrated numerous book covers, particularly for science fiction and fantasy novels, and his work is often featured in art books and exhibitions. His illustrations are characterized by a meticulous attention to detail, a vivid imagination, and an ability to evoke powerful emotion through his use of color and composition. Amano's influence extends beyond Japan, impacting artists and creators worldwide. His unique blend of Eastern and Western artistic traditions has resonated with a global audience, making him a beloved figure in the realism of fantasy and pop culture. In addition to his work on Final Fantasy, Amano has been involved in numerous notable projects. He collaborated with author Neil Gaiman on the graphic novel The Sandman, The Dream Hunters, which received critical acclaim for its stunning visual storytelling. Amano's art has also been showcased his several international exhibitions, highlighting his versatility and the unvarried appeal of his work. Amano's personal style is characterized by a blend of traditional Japanese art, Art Nouveau, and contemporary fantasy elements. He often employs ink, acrylics, and watercolors, creating a distinctive texture and depth in his work. His composition are known for their fluid lines, intricate detail, and a harmonious balance of light and shadow. Yoshitaka Amano's contribution to art and entertainment have left an indelible mark on the industry. His visionary designs and illustration continue to inspire new generation of artists and fans alike. As he continued to create and innovative, Amano remains a pivotal figure in the world of fantasy art, celebrated for his unparalleled imagination and artistic mastery. In summary, Yoshitaka Amano's career spans decades of groundbreaking